So nandito tayo ngayon sa pag-ibigfundservices.com Housing Affordability Calculator. So ngayon, meron tatlong options dito. How much income is required for your desired loan value? Okay? So meron ding option how much you can borrow based on your income. Pangatlo, how much you can borrow based on the value of property. Okay? So ganito lang po siya, no? So tingnan natin kung magkano ba yung magiging income natin na kailangan na income para makapag-loan tayo ng 3.5 million. So let's say ito yung desired loanable amount natin doon sa isang property na kukunin natin. And then pili tayo ng 30 years to pay. So depende naman kasi yan sa age natin. So kay Pag-ibig kasi maximum of 70 years old, okay, yung pinaka loan term natin. And then select tayo ng 3 years fixing period. So depende naman sa iyo yan kung anong interest rate yung kaya mo na fixing rate period. So ibig sabihin kung 3 years fixed na yan, annually 6.25. Kung 15 years, 7.75, wala nang pagbabago yan. Okay, within 15 years to pay. Okay? So ito po, pili naman natin yung 3 years to pay. So compute natin. So merong lalabas dito na 61,571. So example, meron akong kukuning property worth 3.5 million. So kailangan yung income ko dito ay pumapatak ng 61,571 kasi kung hindi pasok, kailangan ko ng co-borrower. And then ang magiging monthly ko dito, okay, meron din siyang estimation for the monthly amortization, principal interest nasa 21,550 and kasama na tong insurances 787. Ang monthly amortization ay nasa 22,337. Okay? So sana nakatulong po to sa inyo. Check pa natin tong isa. How much you can borrow based your on income. Okay, so kunwari income ko ay 100,000 pesos per month. Gusto siya kunin ng 30 years to pay. Fixing period, let's say 5 years to pay. Okay? Fixing period, 5 years, 6.5%. Okay, so pwede nating i-loan dito ay nasa 5.5 million. So ang monthly nasa 35,000 with insurance 1,245. Monthly amortization 36,241, 45,000 and 0.91. Okay, so ganito lang po gamitin si Pag-ibig Housing Loan Affordability Calculator. How much you can borrow based on your value property. So estimated value property, for example, sa property 8 million. And then 30 years and then 3 years compute. Maximum loanable amount is 6 million only. Okay? So kapag more than 6 million na, hindi siya pwede. So let's say 6 million yung worth ng property mo. Compute. Yan. So pwede natin no? I-loan yung property na meron ka. Kumaga ipapa-collateral mo yung yung titulo ng mo, ng property mo. Ayun, no? How much you can borrow based on the value of the property. So ito, pag i-collateral mo na yung property mo. Kunwari, yung halaga ng bahay mo ay 6 million. So pwede ka mag-loan ng 5.4 million. Tapos ang monthly mo nasa 33,000. So kung nakatulong po to sa inyo, just follow me and message me po.